170 children have been removed from the streets. That's according to the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, which is reporting major strides in its mission to rescue and protect children forced to live and work on the road. Sandy Williams reports.
Some of them once sold bag juice at stoplights, wiped windscreens for spare change, or simply watched the world blur past from a sidewalk. Now, 170 children who lived or labored on Jamaica's street, from pavements and market stalls to busy intersections, are off the front line of struggle and into safer hands. This shift is the result of Phase 2 of the Pickney initiative, a joint operation by the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, and Community Development Organization, MOBAC Limited.
This is not just about removing children from harm, but about empowering their families and communities to keep them safe in school and thriving.
115 children received trauma counseling. 130 were referred to other government agencies for additional support. 21 are back in the classroom, enrolled in formal education, and more than 245 families were engaged, supported through counseling, social welfare services, and guidance to re-enroll their children in school.
Every child we can keep safely in their community with the right support systems around them is a child we are protecting from long-term trauma and institutionalization. That is the heart of what this program represents.
From the eastern edges of Yala, St. Thomas, to the urban fringes of retirement in St. James, the CPFSA MOBAC Task Force moved relentlessly. Their mission: to find, assess, and remove children from high-risk environments, not through coercion or chaos, but with empathy, support, and strategic intervention. The initiative is a direct counter-strike to the damning findings of a 2020 CPFSA commissioned study, which revealed that children as young as 5 years were hustling to survive on the streets. These aren't exceptions, they're symptoms of a deeper rot: poverty, abuse, absentee parents, and the state's chronic under-response. Pickney refuses to wait for tragedy to strike.
These children need someone to listen, to guide, and to advocate for them. The moment we begin believing in their potential and showing up consistently, what we've seen is that transformation can happen. This initiative placed someone in their corner, someone who believes that they have a promising future and supports them to achieve their goals and dreams. Our team has seen the results of this every single day. We see it when children return to school or find direction, or when parents or caregivers gain vital employment skills and the documentation needed to rebuild their lives.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.